up? It's Lauren, and today I'm going to be doing a room tour video for you guys, which I'm really excited about and a lot of you guys have been wanting to see. And I know it's been about a month now since I've been in this dorm and I haven't done a tour yet, but I've been uploading, as you guys can tell, every week to every week and a half. It's been a pretty good schedule for me and I'm going to continue doing that. So today I'm taking all of your guys' requests and I'm doing my dorm tour. So I am in a single, I know some people had some questions during my move-in vlog. So I am in like a townhouse type deal. So there's like 8 bedrooms, living room, kitchen, downstairs, and like a little dining area downstairs, and then there's 2 bathrooms and all the bedrooms are single rooms. So I am with my friends in my house, but we all have our own rooms, which is super nice. If you guys have any comments, questions, concerns, any video requests that you guys want, definitely let me know down below, because as you guys know, I love to hear what you guys want to see. But anyways, let's jump right on into the door. So this is the door, and then this is like a little overview of my room. So I'm going to start out with the door. It's pretty simple, really boring. And then this is a little clock that I have that I got from Walmart actually. And then I have my drying rack down here, and I just keep this up at all times because I do laundry every week. So instead of just putting it down all the time, I just keep it up. And then over here is my closet, which is actually really, really big. It fits everything in it, which is really nice, and some of my shoes fell. So on the top here we have some shoes. So I just have some booties, and then I have my Hunters, my L Bean boots, and an umbrella. And then down here I just have most of my nice clothes. So I have all like my internship dressy clothes, then I have my winter sweaters, some long sleeve shirts, and then jackets. So just all my winter clothes here. All my summer clothes are mostly at home. And then I have this little jewelry organizer from PB Teen or Pottery Barn Teen that I love, so I just put all my jewelry in that. And then down here I have this rack from Target, which I don't recommend. As you can see, shoes always just fall all of the time, so they're all over the place. But I do keep all my shoes on here, and I have my ironing board over there in the corner. Then moving down here, this is just my random corner of stuff. I feel like everyone has that corner where they just kind of throw all their stuff. So I have like my camera, some skincare stuff, just like random things that I don't know where to put, so I just put them in the corner. Then I have my heat tools, so I just keep them in this little thing from Bed Bath & Beyond. And then I have my bed, which is my favorite part, obviously. So this is my bed. I really like this room because the ceilings are pretty high, which is really nice. So I have this bedspread here, which is actually from Walmart. I finally decided to get a patterned bedspread. If you've been watching my dorm tours, which I'll link from the past 2 years, I've had a white one. So I have this throw here from Society 6, I believe. I got a new body pillow. This is from Target. Love it. And then I have tons of throw pillows because I'm obsessed with throw pillows. So this one came with the comforter set, and then I have some from Society 6, Target, just random places. So I really, really like my bed. And then I have my tapestry. If you have a huge wall, just throw a tapestry on it. It makes everything better. And then I have my little photo collage, which I do every year. I like to put photos on the wall. So yeah, they've been falling off. I just kind of redid this today because I had about 4 or 5 of them fall off. But really cute. I love that. And then I have obviously some Christmas lights going around, which is really cute as well. So I always have to have Christmas lights in my room. They really help bring the room together for sure. Then we're gonna move under the bed. So I have these like cat containers here, which I've had for so long. I love them. They're just from, I believe, Target, but I just have kind of random stuff. Like I have like, I don't know, like boring stuff like towels, some like bodysuits and stuff in there, like underwear in there, like socks, just like miscellaneous stuff, honestly. And then I have these 2 bins here. This bin here just literally has everything in it, like all my toiletry items. And then in here I have literally all my wires because I have my little outlet. This doesn't really look that safe, but I just have tons of wires in there. And then I have some hats, gloves, and workout clothes in there as well. And then back here, water, tripod, candles, and that's pretty much it. So then I have my little desk here. It's so cute. I love my desk area. So I have my lamp here from Target, which is pretty bright. And then I have this little makeup mirror. I have a little calendar because I like to have one on my desk at all times. I have my makeup collection, which I minimized down to these like 3 little drawers for this semester. So I just have face stuff, random stuff, eyes and lip stuff. And then I have some palettes here, random stuff, my to-do list, my YouTube journal where I write everything in, tissues, body lotion. I have my little salt lamp that I'm obsessed with. I have a wine glass, these little like like, I don't know, frames. I've had them since freshman year. And then I have this little thing here, which is a fake plant, and this is a real plant. Let's see how long I can keep it alive. I think it's already dying. Yeah, it's like already dying. And then in these drawers down here, I actually have like literally nothing. I literally just have like random stuff, like as you can see, like body lotion and stuff in this one. I have like school supplies in this one, and then this one I think is like electronic stuff. Yeah, so kind of boring. I have this little suitcase here for when I go on weekend trips to bring places. I have all my laundry and vitamins in there. I have my normal bag. This is just like my long chomp that I bring with me everywhere, so it has all my stuff in it. I go between my long chomp and my backpack, so that's what I'm using right now. Then I have my laundry, which I need to do desperately, so yeah. And then I have this little dresser here and my rug, as you guys can tell. I always need a rug. So for my dresser, I have a candle, I have my speaker, I have this mug thing, I have my fish, but yeah, so I have a fish. And I have my perfumes, clock, my textbooks, my phone. Guys, my phone. Look at this. It's completely just shattered down here. It's like pieces fell out. It's kind of bad. And then I have tons of clothes in here. So I have sweatshirts, which are my favorite, as you guys know. What's in here? Jeans. I have shirts in there, and then down here I just kind of have like dresses and like workout shorts and stuff, just in case for like the gym, that I never go to the gym anyways, but if I did, they're there. And then I have my backpack in the corner, still my North Face one I've had for so long. And then I have this lamp from Target. So my little mirror and some of these things that I had from last year on my wall, which are just some photos. So I kind of reused a lot of stuff from last year, as you guys can tell. But yeah, so that's pretty much my dorm tour. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching the dorm tour. If you guys, again, have any more questions, leave those down below. Or if you want to see any more certain types of videos, definitely let me know down below what you guys want to see. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys all in my next video.